What's going on, boys and girls? This is Clay Hobright over at Best Body Shop. I'm in the shop here with dudes that are just absolutely thrashing right now, working like crazy, trying to keep up with deadlines and promises that we've made to customers. I've got the man of the hour here, Mr. Mike himself. He has no idea that I was making this video,
Nope.
or he would have probably done something with his beard a little bit.
It.
Mike, give me 2 minutes real quick. We're live with our Facebook audience, and I want to show these I want to show off what a lot of people don't get to see in the repair, and that is that the outside of a vehicle, you know, we can make an outside look good and glossy, right?
Oh, yeah.
Make the paint match and all that fun jazz.
That's
But
the easy part.
that is the easy part, right? So Mike actually repaired a car. I'm going to flip the camera around. Mike actually repaired, and Mike, you want to show me exactly what you did on this vehicle right here?
The B-pillar was pushed in down low, so we replaced this section of the B-pillar. What is it? The boron reinforcement in the middle, which meant we have to take the roof off.
So this is a roof replacement, a B-pillar,
Yep.
inner structure. Now, listen, guys, this is, and let me flip the camera back around real quick. So, you know, like I said, anybody can make the outside look okay. I mean, I guess not everyone. At least what we've seen and what
We've seen struggles.
we've seen some struggles. But I want to show off the side that maybe you've not seen before, and that is the inside where it was repaired. And this is a team effort, by the way. This is not just Mike 100%. We're talking about a refinish team, an assembly disassembly team. We got AJ here that loves being in front of the camera. The entire interior, I mean, look at it. You can't tell. I mean, I'm going to stick the camera. Oops. It's saying for me to rotate the. You can't find where the repair starts and stops. You know, I mean, you got this roof. Look at the inside of the roof. We refinished everything per the manufacturer's guidelines. Again, guys, it takes a team that is unbelievably focused and committed even to do the things. At the end of the day, anybody can make the outside look good, but this one, obviously, we did an up and over, so both quarter panels were refinished, both door opening panels, roof was replaced, inside and out. When you bring a car to Best Body Shop, what you're going to see is a team of people that are focused on doing the right thing, whether it gets seen or not. How often do you get to display your seam seal skills to the public?
Pretty much never.
Never, right? Hey, AJ, when repairing a car and you're refinishing or you're doing E-coat on the inside of the panel, how often do you get to show that off to customers?
I've got one picture on my phone and all the years I've done it.
So again, guys, it's not because we get to show it off. It's not because it's what's seen. It's because it's what you deserve. We believe our clients deserve a repair head to toe, inside and out, to be 100% flawless to the manufacturer's guidelines, to the best of our human abilities. And that's exactly what this car is getting. That's exactly what we're creating in the car that we're repairing right now. Dudes that make sure that happens all the time. Shoot us a call if you ever have any collision repair needs, whether you are in Wichita or not, whether you have a vehicle that's at our facility or not. We are experts in the collision repair process, and we can help you through this entire process. Our number is 316-516-3827. We'd love to help you out. You guys have fun today.